installation in the process of manufacturing. How we can do it? This is a big challenge. Mostly in Faridabad, we have a lot of MSMEs. There are about 6 lakhs MSMEs in here. And mostly in Gurgaon and Faridabad and in near NCR, there are many MSMEs which gives the contribution to our GDP of the nation. So even the government has given some schemes also where they ask the factories to deploy the gas distillation. So how we can do it? We can do it in the process of when you first is that you can have a your systems like even like Joho gas system which have a you can have even SAP we can introduce in our DNS system. ERP we can do. With the ERP we can integrate each and every process in the manufacturing, right? Receiving of the raw material, then processing it. Then if you are making the production plan, that has to be in line with that. And if some process has been designed and it has to be executed in the same manner, and the recording of all the parameter should be done in the system and through the digital sensors. Sensor it can be captured that this part has been produced, this part has been rejected. Even what happens when the parts are rejected, they get mixed with the okay parts. That is a big challenge for an industry. So we have a system, we have a even to have vendors which can implement that system also. That so many parts has been produced, so many has been rejected, and rejection has been gone to the bin. Okay, that is also that bin is also digitally logged, and the password is also comes from the SAP or ERP. So there's whole system has to be digitalized so that we can get a good product. Okay. And even we have a system of IoT also where we can see that which parameter is going out of range. We can deploy sensors, pressure sensor, vibration sensors. Okay. Those can also give the input to us so that this parameter is going out of range. So before the quality goes bad, we have to take action before. Okay. We have to be a preventive. We should have our preventive control on the quality. That can only be done through the digitalization. And in this way, we can assure our customer that this product has a good quality. Even with the use of AI, when you have a data, you can produce that. Earlier, we set this limit, and this limit, the upper limit of this cause that defect. Now you have to change the tolerance level. The AI will suggest if AI is applied on that data. So that intelligent quality control can be there. Even when we receive the components from the vendors, suppliers, then you have to check. Even a small nut and bolt can be checked by camera-based inspection. Each and everything. If a wrong nut is fitted in a one part, with that only a 5-piece part can cause the rejection of 100-piece components. So we have to ensure at each and every step that only the right product goes to the next GN station and the right product goes to the to our customer. We have to make the customer delight. We have to quality is not only that we have to say that it will meet the customer demand. We have to make the customer delight by offering the product which they want. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Just to tell uh, the young minds here that now, when these days you go to buy an electrical gadget for you, a refrigerator, air conditioner, then there are star ratings. It's a very simple way of digitalizing quality. On Indian roads, we have 1.7 lakh deaths in road accidents annually. So by the time we have started this panel discussion and when we will end this panel discussion, we'll take around 1 hour. By this time, 20 people have lost their life, would be losing their life on Indian roads in accident. That is these official statistics. These are those accident figures where FIRs are lodged by police. So you can imagine the real would be absolutely different. Word over, they started talking about designing cars and vehicles which are safe. And there are ratings and categorization of cars based upon safety factors. So even all the cars which are coming in India, which are coming, have brought in that aspect of quality digit, which that is rated this much. So that is what is very important. So any new model, I am posing a question to the next panelist is when we are designing an automobile or a car in which I and my family will be sitting, or I am booking a ticket for a bus which will take me overnight journey from Delhi to Manali. So from design concept to manufacturing to testing and then finally rollout,